Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about Bank Nifty forecast for next week. That is still expiring, not on Friday, till expiry, which means 27th to 30th of June 2022, monthly expiry. So when going into analysis, I have found some interesting stuffs and big numbers for Bank Nifty. As usual, before even going into our video, the few requests. One, newcomers, please subscribe to our channel and stay connected. Click on the bell icon next to it so that you will get the notifications on time. Two, our Telegram channel links are given in description of this video. Please do join our Telegram channel to stay active during market hours. 3. If you feel this video is helpful and it will be helpful for your friends or relatives whoever is interested in markets, please do share to them. And I will also request you to provide your comments or likes or dislikes or whatever it may be, whatever it is worth for. I don't want you to give only positive comments, or I don't want you to give only negative comments or likes or only dislikes. After hearing this video, you give dislike or like or comments, positive or negative, whatever it is worth for. Okay. Without wasting additional time, we will go into Bank Nifty charts. This is daily charts of Bank Nifty. The same default setup I have taken, and over here I have observed some interesting things. Before forgetting, I will inform one thing for you. While discussing Nifty itself, I missed to inform you people. This was the Nifty charts which we were looking. So over here I missed to inform one thing I said, right? Look at this indication, sell indication, which was signaled by VWAP. Okay. After this, nearly 1.5 to 2 months we were on the downside. And then there was a buy signal over here. We were almost on the upside for next 15 days. Now it was on the downside, and we have spent enormous time below the sell signal of VWAP, which is more than 2 months. Here we have half a month, here we have full month, here we have almost a full month, another 4 days only left. So it's time for VWAP to give us a buy signal. I forgot this to say you while discussing about Nifty forecast. Now in Bank Nifty forecast also, same thing. He has given a buy signal over here. Almost 2 months he has taken here and then given a sell signal. Almost a month he was below that particular level, and then a buy signal came almost 1.5 months, and then a sell signal came almost 1.75 months, nearing about 2 months. So it's time now for VWAP also to give us a buy signal in both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. All the worries which we had is rise in inflation, rise in interest rates by across Federal Reserve banks of across the reserve banks of the world, be it India, be it Brazil, be it US, be it England, be it China, whatever it may be, except Bank of Japan, all other banks across world has raised their interest rate. Bank of Japan alone has kept the interest rates stable. Barring that, every other bank across the world has raised their interest rate. So that was a worrisome factor couple of days back. Now we have raised rates, and in next policy meet also we are expecting some rate hike like 75 basis points in our 50 basis points in our RBI, and maybe 75 basis points in Fed. So if that happens, post that we will not see any big hikes like 50 or 75. It will be reduced to 35, 40 or 25 like that. So this will give us a clear cut up move after that period. Okay, now coming back into this week analysis, coming week, last week of June, I have connected the previous low which it created before creating this gap, and then this week high. Both I have connected and drawn a falling trend line, and then I have connected both the the higher lows which happened during last 7 to 8 days. Now it becomes a triangle pattern for us. You all very well know what if a triangle pattern breaks out on the higher side. For people who don't know, I'll let you know. If a triangle pattern breaks out on the higher side, the height of the triangle will be the target on the other side. It will be forming like a diagonal pattern. So let me draw another line and explain you. So probably this will be creating as a channel. So if you like draw a channel like this high, this particular area to this particular area zone, this high will be reflected over there on the higher side. So if you want, we will draw another line also. So just for example, for making you understand, I am drawing like this. Oh, sorry, this line will not work. Yeah, this particular line, this might be working. So this particular height, whatever the range will be, that will be the target on the higher side like this. Here, this will be the target. This is how triangle pattern works. So looking at the gap up open scenario for Nifty as per SGX on Monday, we are definitely going to open up above the current triangle, which means we are expected to touch this kind of line. We are having a target of this kind of situation. What is this? 34, what is this low? Maybe 31,900 on the lower side, and on the higher side 34,300, which means 31,900, 2,000, approximately 2,000 points gates are getting opened on the higher side. But everything is based on a condition. This VWAP should signal as a buy signal, should give us a buy signal. Probably it will happen. Look at the other indicators, everything is poised to move on the higher side. RSI is going to move above 50. MACD Histo is going to form on the higher side because it has ended flat. So probably Monday it will form on the higher side. What will happen when it fall on the higher side? It will move on for next 5 continuous days minimum, and stochastic from oversold levels, it has raised about 20, which means he is supposed to go at least till the tune of 50. So when all indicators set up like this, we could see a good move in Bank Nifty provided Nifty is sustaining above 15,750, that is last week's high. If Nifty sustains above 15,750, I am 100% sure we will see at least a 1,000 point move from previous day's close. Previous day's close is 33,627. Okay. From here we will move at least till 34,600 levels if Nifty is sustaining above 15,750. Don't get confused why I am correlating Nifty with Bank Nifty. Forget about it, because Nifty is the base. Bank Nifty is a supplementary index. It is not the primary index. So everything functions based on Nifty. If Nifty cracks below 15,700 again, then obviously Bank Nifty will not do. So that is the only reason I am correlating Nifty level with that of Bank Nifty. If my guess is correct, 34,600 will be the initial target, and based on this, if you people ask me what to trade, I have given a call yesterday itself on 33,800 strike to suggest to buy around 310 to 320. Few people have booked it at 370, 365 yesterday itself, and then bought it again at 310, and few are still holding that 310. The initial call which we have bought, they haven't exited. They are holding with a stop loss of 250 or so. Okay, so this was the thing which I have given earlier itself. I haven't given this to our Telegram channel members, but I have given to the premium members. This was the call given. I have mentioned it is not Friday. I would have said to chase Bank Nifty 33,800 call if it is not Friday. Okay, so risk takers can buy around 300, 320. Actually speaking, it went to 270 and then came up. So now people who are not in that particular position, all I suggest you to add 33,800 call or 34,000 call even in your watch list. Don't be in a hurry to jump in. If my guess is correct, like I said earlier, Nifty will touch the zone of 15,888 or even 15,901, and there will be one round of profit booking which may come back around 15,750. When you see 15,750 Nifty, you can pitch into the 33,800 call or 34,000 call of Bank Nifty. But you need to maintain a stop loss for this particular position. If at all Nifty closes below 15,600, you are supposed to exit the position. I think that it will not happen during next week, because expiry week all kind of magics will happen. Last week also, last month also, you will be able to remember what happened during expiry week. Look at the move what happened during last month expiry. See this. We have moved like anything on last month expiry. 27th was the expiry, I guess. If my guess is correct, 27th was the expiry. Okay. So 27th was the expiry. Before that, 4 days, see what happened. From where 34,115 Bank Nifty, we have made a high of 35,694, which is almost 1,600 points. That is why I already said at the beginning itself, I am getting some frenzy levels in Bank Nifty. So I feel the move will be like this, or else if you want to maintain a stop loss, you to draw a trend line like this. After buying when it comes to 15,750 again on Nifty spot, When you see a close below this trend line on maybe 30 minutes time frame will be ideal, but bank nifty is very volatile and it moves like anything on any direction. So I would say you can make a stop loss, like if any close happens below this trend line on 15 minutes time frame, then you may exit your position. So probably like this, it will be like this. Okay, it might open way above this particular level and then move on the higher side. When it comes back, probably you might be entering around this particular zone. Okay, 34,000 call, and when it gives a close below this trend line, you are supposed to exit on a 15 minutes time frame. This is the easy way than following nifty levels for bank nifty, right? So I have explained you very clear. Don't do a nonsense work of jumping into bank nifty at opening or maybe at 10 a.m. on Monday. You will get your opportunities. If not, also we will pick opportunities during live market hours, which I will be posting in Telegram. Don't worry about it. Don't think that you need to make money only in this call. This is one of the options for you to make money, right? Have a good day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.